Hello out there in YouTube world. Today is May 27th, 2021. As you can see behind me, we are going to do our virtual lab today over chemical change. Now with our chemical change lab, we're going to have blackberries. That's one of the objects that's part of the experiment. Now the purple pigment from the blackberries will have a chemical reaction with the crystals in the baking soda. As a result, a chemical reaction shall occur. Chemical change, chemical reaction. And with us today, of course, we have our wonderful scientists. They are ready. They are ready for action. And here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now our items right here, we have beakers, but if you do not have any beakers at home, that is perfectly fine. You can use a regular cup. But right here we have beakers. We also have our baking soda. Inside the beakers is just water. That's all you need is water. That's it. Also, we have our Q-tips, we have our spoons, and we have our blackberries, and also our paper. Okay? Alrighty, so our volunteer will take one scoop only of baking soda, and she will pour it into the beaker. There's one scoop. And my next volunteer with her cupcake popper, she is going to get the spoon and then complete the second scoop, like so. And she's going to stir for about 15 seconds.
15 seconds later.
All right, 15 seconds are up. Now we have our friend. He is going to dip the Q-tip and dab it. And then our other friend is going to write one simple message. All you need to do at home is write one simple message. And once the message is completed, you have to wait 10 minutes in order for it to dry.
Oh, that's... Don't make fun of my age.
All righty, don't reveal, don't say the letter. Okay, we will see you in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Now, while we are waiting for our first paper to dry, we have now dispersed into our lab groups. There we go. We have group 1, we have group 2, and we also have group 3. Now, the same process that was shown at the beginning of the video will also be done right now in this session. All cell phones supposed to be on silent, right?
Oh, yes.
Yes, all of them. So as I walk around and just observe, our friends are continuing what we began at the very beginning.
Hello.
Collaborative effort, teamwork around here. That's how we work in Mr. Champ's class.
15. I am done.
Finish? Okay. So make sure you let it dry for 10 minutes. It has to dry for 10 minutes.
Oh, hello.
Hello there, sir. Okay, hers is finished. We are going to wait 10 minutes for it to dry.
We probably actually need to wait about like 5 minutes.
Who needs
Actually,
the
for
thingy?
it wasn't too wet when I got it in.
Okay, so you lightly done it. Okay, we might be able to do it in 5. We might. That looks pretty.
So I feel mad and
Soldier. Is yours ready, sir?
Yes, sir.
At ease, soldier. We're still waiting on my Secretary of Defense. His paper needs to dry. We will come back momentarily. All right, so we are going to give it a try and see if this works. Our friends are going to squeeze the blackberry, and the pigment will have they'll have a chemical reaction with their letters.
Wow, that's
See a little bit of Brandon?
apart.
I don't say nothing of Brandon.
I'll do it too. Yeah, nice and steady strokes now.
If you do it too hard, then the paper will rip. If you do it too lightly, then your message won't show up.
Exactly. You need to have a perfect balance. If you rub it too hard, you will puncture the paper. And if you apply it too lightly, your words will not be revealed.
Oh, no.
Now we are visiting the next group as they get ready to have their chemical reaction occur on their paper. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
I can see mine showing up a little. I can see mine. I can only see the S.
All right, let me zoom in on yours. This one came out pretty good. You can actually see that it says hee hee. All right, so hee hee. That's a pretty good one. All righty. All right, so with this friend's paper, with a little effort from everyone in the classroom, you can clearly see it says hi. You can also see that it says yo. Hi, yo. And right here, it says science, okay? Now, 2 ways you can do this. You can let it dry for 10 minutes, but I think it's better if you still have the lettering kind of wet. That way it can transfer a whole lot better. Now, for the sake of time, like I always say, we have to go to out class. It's time to go. Before we walk out, is there any last message you would like to say?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
I'm short. You can't even see me. Hi there.
Hi, bye.
Go